friends, welcome back to my channel. So in the last class we have studied about the multi-section command. So today we are going to make an exercise with the use of multi-section command where we are going to make this gear profile. So we have already studied this thing in shaft command, how to make this shaft, and today we are going to make this gear profile. So the dimensions for this gear profile are this, and for the shaft the dimensions are this. So first of all we will use shaft command and make this shaft profile, and then we will create this gear profile and will use multi-section command. So today in this exercise mostly we are using two features, that is multi-section and shaft feature. And we are also using patterning, circular pattern, but that too we are going to learn full-fledged what is rectangular or circular pattern. Fine, so we will start with the making of this shaft first of all. So we'll come to the 3D window, select position, sketch, x, y, z, whatever plane you want to work for in. Like I want to work for YZ plane. Now I'll use profile command, and first of all I'll make similar profile as per the drawing. Clear? I'm not using any helping constraint. So this is my profile. Now I'll create an axis. So this is my axis. Now very first is 76, 74 and 70. So first of all I'm going to create these dia with the help of constraint. Select this line, select the axis, right click, radius and diameter and click. Fine. So this is 76. Second one is 74 and third one is 70. So the next one is this, select this line, select the axis, right click, radius, diameter, and this is 74. Fine. Again this one, this axis, right click, radius, diameter, 70. Clear? Now I'm just leaving the middle one because the dia was not mentioned in this middle one. Clear? So I'll just make dia 78 and dia 65. I'm just leaving this middle one, and this, select the S, select the axis, edge, axis, right click, radius, diameter 78, and the same like this. Select this S, select the axis, right click, radius, diameter and 65. So now you can see the complete all dia has been done. Now we'll provide the length for each and every. So the length is 5, 45 and 10. We will zoom so that we can see clearly. 5, 45 and 10. We will give the same. Select constraint. This one is 5. This one is 45 and this one is 10. We will give this dimension as well, and this one is 22. So select the opposite edges of the profile and give the dimension 22. Now the next one, the dimensions are 48 and 32. So we'll give constraint. This one is 48, and just drag these lines, and this line length is 32. Clear? Clear? Now what I have to do, I have to define this edge up to the 0, 0 to make it fully defined. So right click, coincide. So now you can see my sketch is fully defined except this, because this we have not defined the circular portion. Here you can see there is a circular portion. So I'll just also create a circle. Fine. Select this line and give tangency. Now trim the extra portion. See, this portion we cannot trim because it is tangency at this point. So for this line we need to make it construction line. So now you can get the profile clearly, and my profile is fully defined. So we will make an exit. So this is how the profile looks like, but this is an open profile, but we are going to take horizontal axis, so it will make a solid profile. You can see I want a complete circle. So you can see this much of my work is correct, and you can see it with the help of drafting. Yes. So come to view layout, front view, come to this tab, select the view. I want this view. So this is perfectly fine. Fine. Now you can define the dia. So I want this view. So I'll just create another view. Okay. It is just inverse. I don't want this. So I'll just delete, right click, delete. And again I'll come to the front view. Select the view. Like you want this view. Clear? I want this view. I want this tire to be on this side, because this is how my drawing look like. So I'm just making same so that there is no difficulties while reading the drawing. So I'm just making the same views as per the drawing. Clear? Now come to this and come to annotation tab in the sketch. Action bar, dimensions. So this tire 76, this tire 70, this tire 70, this tire 78, and this dia is 65. So you can drag the dimensions outside and do like this. Clear? Now I want to give the dimensions, so I'm just using chain dimensions. Just select the opposite ends where you want to give the chain dimension. Now again click on chain dimensions, select the chain, select the dimension for which you want to make a chain, then give the further edges. Now you can see you will receive all the dimensions in one go, and it will look more beautiful as well. You can see how easy it is. So whenever you need to give these dimensions like this, always use chain dimensions and you will get all the dimensions. And you can see as per drawing, all the dimensions are correct: 32, 48, 20, 10, 45, 5. 32, 48, 20, 10, 45, 5. Clear? Now I will need to create this gear profile. So for this gear profile, I need to make a sketch on this axis. So I'll go to 3D view. I'll select this plane, come to the position sketch. We'll create two circles. The value of these two circles is radius 85, and I have created this circle and this outer circle. So this is R85, this is R55. So what I'll do, I'll just come to the constraint tab. This is diameter, but I need to give radius, so I'll just double click and we'll define radius, and radius is 85. Clear? Now the second one, radius is 55. Clear? Now you can see it is not in the center, so I'll just select this, press Ctrl button, select the center of this and make it coincidence. Clear? So the circle is ready. Now I am going to create this line and arc. So I'll just create a simple line command, and I'm going to create this line. Clear? And then I'm going to this arc option, and I'll use 3-point arc starting point. and I'll create arc like this. Now what I'll do, I'll just select this line and this line, and we will use mirror command. This is mirror about vertical axis. So I'm getting both the lines. Now I need to give the dimension. So this line and this line, the dimension of these two lines is 40. You can see. And what will be the radius for this circle? This is radius 25. And now I need to trim this edge. So quick trim. You can see. Now the dimension of this line is 25, sorry, 12. Now you can see my sketch is fully defined. This is 12, this is R25, 40 I have given. Now I want these profile 1, 2, 3, 4 more. So what I'll do, I'll just select this, all these 4 entities, and we'll go to the rotate command. Select rotate command, select the center of the profile, and how many we want? 4 more. So total will be 5. So angle will be 360 divided by 5. You can see. So each angle is 72 degree. I will just keep internal, external, original mode checked. You can see all the dimensions are coming. Now I am going to trim the extra portion. So just click on quick trim. I don't want this, 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 this. Clear? So you'll be getting this profile. Now I don't want the inner profile. So this is how the drawings look like. Okay, now you can see my sketch is ready, but sketch is not fully defined. So but though we know that my sketch is correct, so in that case what we'll do, select the complete drawing, come to auto constraint. Okay, not selected. Select the complete drawing with the drag box and OK. I think I have given one extra, so it is duplicating. Now I have deleted, it is clear. Fine. To make sure this is my one close profile, we'll come to the action bar and in the analysis tab select sketch analysis. Make sure you have one closed loop, but you can see there are 2 more extra lines. So what I'll do, I'll just select and make it construct. So we are having this one closed profile, this one closed profile, this is open. So make it construction, and this is one. So always make sure your drawing sketch should be one closed profile and say OK, exit. So this is how your sketch will look like. Now you can see in the drawing we are having 3 different planes. Then because in multi-section we use multiple planes. So for this drawing we need 3 different planes, and this is mentioned in the drawing. The plane for drawing the second section is at offset of 45 mm. So first of all we will create an offset, come to the plane, select the face and the dimension 45 mm offset. So this is your plane. Now the second plane is at third sketch as at offset of 50 mm. So we'll make another plane from this to 50 mm. Reverse. Clear? This one is 45. Clear? So now I am getting all the 3 planes, but what will be the sketch for all these 3 planes? So the sketch will be, the first sketch is 100%, second is 75%, third is 50% with the rotation angle of 15 degree. So in that case what we'll do, we'll select this plane, come to the position sketch. Now come to the window, select this sketch and come to sketch and go for projection. project 3D element and click OK. Now you will get this sketch. Now what you have to do, come to the scale command. The sketch is already selected. If you not selected, then please do select. Select the center point. And what is the scale factor? 75. So I am just giving 0.75. Clear? So this is my new sketch. Now I'll come to the rotate command. Select the center and what is the, and just off duplicate button. And what is the angle? So the angle is 15 degree and OK. Now you get the sketch. Now come to the analysis tab, sketch analysis. First profile is this, second profile is this. I want this second profile. I don't want this profile. This is my helping geometry. So what I'll do, I'll just make it construction. So now you can see it is showing one implicit profile. OK, exit. Clear? Now you are getting two profiles clearly. Now the same way you are going to create third sketch. So come to the position sketch, select the plane, again select sketch 2 and make it projection. Fine. Now the third sketch is 50%. So 0.5. OK. Fine. Now rotate. Select the center. Sketch is already selected. We want only one and the angle will be 30 degree. 15 degree for the very first sketch and another 30 for the second sketch. So now you get all the three planes. Now come to the analysis tab, sketch analysis. Make sure this profile you don't want, so make it construction. You want only one profile. OK, exit. So now you are getting all the three planes, you can see. Now I'll just hide these two planes. Select, right click, hide. And I'm going to hide these three planes as well. Now you can see clearly all the three sketches. So come to the multi-section command. Select first sketch, second sketch and third sketch. You can see your preview is wrong. So in that case what we'll do, I'll just cancel and show you again. Multi-section first, second and third. Now you can see I have already told you the work of closing point. You can see the direction for these two closing point is this, but for this it is on this direction. I have to change. But here still my profile will be like this. It is not creating, it is showing some error. Current coupling mode cannot be applied. Change the coupling mode to ratio or remove guide. So I have not applied ratio or guide. So what I'll do, I'll just change this coupling point. See, this coupling point supposed to be, this is at this end. So this coupling point supposed to be at, so this point. So what I'll do, I'll just replace this coupling point from this point. Replace coupling point to this point. Now you can see how perfect your profile will be like this. Clear? So now you can see your drawing. It is making same. Now I want this view. Come to view layout, projections. This is coming third angle, first angle. So what I'll do, just come to sheet 1, right click, properties, make it third angle projection. And now we'll click on position. You can see the drawing. Clear? Fine. Now you can see there are some lines in this profile. You can see, and lines are coming here also, but in my drawing it is not coming. Fine. So what we have to do, we have to create this profile that is of 78, 60 into 10, 12 places. So what we are going to create, we are going to create these slots. So for that I am just using this face to make a sketch, and I'm going to use a rectangular sketch, and I'm going to use these two curves as projection. Now I'm getting these two curves. I'll just delete this line and this line, and I want to make it this edge and this edge symmetry to horizontal axis. And the distance between those two is 10. Clear? Now I'm using trim command. I don't want this, this, this. Now you can check with the analysis part, sketch analysis, one close profile. Okay, exit. Now I'm going to use pocket command. And what is the dimension of the pocket? You can give with the help of dimensions or up to next, but here I'll suggest give with the help of dimensions. Now you get this slot, and these are 12 slots. So for that we will come to the transform tab, and we will use circular pattern. This we have also seen in the piston command. Again we are using this circular pattern. So for current solid use this pocket, and for reference use this crown, and complete crown put it here 12, and you will get all the 12 profiles. Clear? Like this. Now you can see in the drawing, update, we are getting all the lines. Clear? So this is how we can create these profiles. Clear? I hope it is clear. Now we have created the drawing as per the demand. So this is how you need to create each and every drawing. I hope this much is clear for you.